ladies and gentlemen, today I will be doing a Castello installation. This is a 2002 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter bus. The original Castello has cooled, and of course this is an old Castello. The owner wants to upgrade it to this. This device has an FM player, FM, Bluetooth, has USB, one for playing digital audio files and one for charging your phone or your devices. You even have auxiliary out. So because of the nature of the chrome here, we are going to install it in this pocket here. As you can see, it fits. So I'm going to remove all this. I've already started with this. Then I will remove this, then this, so that we'll have access to this original car stereo, so that I'll get the wires out and drag it down here to have this installed. So kindly stay tuned and watch. I've already moved this out of the way. I will do so for the front, and I will do so for this, and we'll proceed little by little. So to remove this, first of all, you have to remove this part. After removing it, so you have access to this Allen key, then we'll remove this, including this jack cover. So after taking this part out, we took this part, took these ones out, and moving the top screw here. But to be able to remove this entirely, you have to use this top screw here and remove some top screws here. Now I'm working on this dash. I'll remove that. I'll remove this. So I will now have access after removing this. So I will now have access to remove the top screw here. So finally I cannot take out this. So with the last screw removed, you can now actually have access to the connector for the car steering and the car steering. So we'll now remove the car steering, or remove the connector to see how you can find a way to bring it down. So I finally take out the old car stereo unit. Fortunately, the chrome here can allow this to go in, so I may not have to put it down. I may have to bring it in here. What I will do now is to try and trace out the wires for the speakers. So I want to trace the power, ground and the ignition. Presently the ignition is off, so I will trace the constant 12. If we have a 12 volts, it will light up red. If it's ground, it will light up green. So I'm not holding it now, so checking on it. It is green. No, this is 12. I guess this is constant 12. This one I'll show you green. So we have about three other wires that showed green. So now to know which of them has the ignition, I turn on the ignition. This already know that it's constant 12. This nothing is showing here, which shows that this is not ground. It was green before. The same thing, nothing shows on this. Okay, this one shows green. So and this one shows red, so that this is the ignition. To actually confirm if that's true, I will turn it off. Yeah. So that's my ignition. So We now have two wires to confirm which is ground now. We have one here. It's ground. Then we have one here. So yeah, so our two wires that's indicating ground. So all these are likely going to be speaker wires. These are likely going to be speaker wires. There is no indicator here whether power or ground. This for normally in this Mercedes-Benz, the speaker wires are on this side, while the power wires are here. One has to do with maybe antenna, antenna power and stuff like that. So these are the speaker wires. So we have our constant 12 ignition. So here or here will be our ground. So we'll confirm that soon enough. Now I've taped the wires. This is the ignition which I've taped there. This is the constant 12 taped to the yellow. I've chosen this thick brown one in P8 as the ground. So I suspect these are the speaker wires, this 4. Now to actually confirm, I put my meter in a ohm range, 20 kilo ohms. Put there. See, it reads a value, reads about 4 ohms. So I'll put on the second one. Put on the second one. Put the first one. Log in the second one. Let's see what it reads. Yes, so it's about 4 ohms, which shows that those are speaker connectors. For the standard audio connector, you have these are the speaker wires. This is front left, front right, rear left, rear right. So we're only going to use 2, front left and front right. We only have one speaker there, there's one speaker there, and one speaker there. So I've completed the wiring for the speaker. I've done the one for power and ground. So it's now for us to actually test the device. So I'm going to put the one for this is the one for power and ground. So I'm going to put the ignition on. Let's see. Okay, let's press the power button. Now the device has. Okay, I will hear the sound. So the speakers are also okay. Let me off the car and see. Okay, the system went off. The system back on. So I will try and connect. So it looks like one speaker that is okay. Okay, both speakers are working. So we'll find a way to tune. Let me try and get a way to get let me try and fix an antenna to it, then so I've managed to fix a makeshift antenna. So let me try and search for the channel. So we just pick the channel now. Search for another station. Okay. So we are going to tidy up now. This is Azan RS Auto. So we can see that we have tested everything. Now we are going to tidy up and put everything back in place. So I finally tidied up. I've installed everything. This was the radio that was there using cassette. We upgraded it to this that use Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary. The owner requested that he doesn't want to be able to put on the radio with the ignition off. So I just did a little change in the wiring. So with the ignition off, you can actually doesn't need to put on the accessory. 1,000 senior secondary school teachers. You can hear the radio. The move reflects the government's recognition of the changing global landscape where AI and digital literacy. These are the different. The pilot started with different radio channels. Part of this initiative is the standardization of senior secondary education. This is Azan RS Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.